Hello, my name is Moses Durazo, and for over 20 years, I've dedicated my life to the healthcare field. I run and operate a private membership medical biomagnetism association in California, and I mostly work with people who are living with miserable pain and suffering and don't know what else to do because medicine, supplements, surgeries, and other haven't solved their problems. And in some cases, medicine has actually worsened their situation, as is the case today with more and more people coming to our private practice seeking help because they believe that they're vaccine injured. And on top of no improvement, they're spending thousands of dollars in other treatments, which creates financial stress. I also work with people who feel absolutely great and have no health problems and understand the importance of prevention using biomagnetic science along with their other personal care wellness routines. So some 25 years ago, when I attended the university, my intention was to become a medical doctor. Fortunately, a disappointing medical visit awakened me to the fact that medicine does not solve all problems. Having interned at a medical clinic as a medical assistant prior to that, I wanted to believe that being a doctor meant that you can cure anything, and boy was I young and naive. And as fate would have it, I learned that there was a holistic health program at the university campus and took a holistic acupressure course just out of curiosity. This would be one of the greatest decisions I've ever made because this led to a great awakening within me. Through the strategies I learned, not only did I physically feel more energized, but I learned how to easily overcome life's challenges and frustrations through the self-awareness and mindfulness component of this ancient healthcare modality. And this led to me developing an even greater relationship with myself and to others. I completed the holistic health program and learned many alternative medicine modalities. When I graduated from the university, I believed that I possessed all the safe and natural medicine knowledge I needed to prevent and cure pain and suffering for me, for my family, and those who sought my help. And boy, was I wrong again. In my mid-20s, I developed a chronic digestive problem. I went into all of my course notes and started practicing everything I knew about alternative medicine. I had good days, I had bad days, but the problem was always there. So I started asking for help from other doctors and therapists, and I was still sick. This lasted for about 4.5 years until a nutritionist suggested I try biomagnetism. I figured I've tried so many other things, it's not going to hurt me to try one more thing. It literally blew my mind how after 4.5 years of chronic digestive problems, it was literally gone by the next day. And this is how I got involved in studying and pioneering the medical biomagnetic pair science. After many years of helping thousands of people overcome their pain and suffering, many people would ask me to teach them the biomagnetic science. From working with thousands of people, I learned that the majority of people live with incredible pain and suffering because they do not understand their mind, body, and spirit needs, and as a result, contribute to their own problems, mostly by living a substandard lifestyle and by relying on pharmaceutical drugs and other limiting and harmful actions as the solutions. For this reason, I decided to write books not only about biomagnetism, but books to encourage people like you and your family to look at the multi-dimensional factors that we must understand to live a great life. Eventually, I would develop the biomagnetic recalibration system, where I teach the wellness strategies I use personally and professionally every day to transform in pain and suffering to well-being. In this system, I teach you how you may use biomagnetic strategies to help you feel energized and rejuvenated by balancing your body's energy for better mind, body, spirit function, by becoming more introspective and sharpening your intuition, which leads to better decision making, reducing stress, and thus overcoming your life's obstacles far more efficiently. You can use these strategies with your loved ones too, which may reduce miserable pain and suffering and make everybody more happy and live a greater quality of life for years to come. If you apply these safe, natural, and effective self-care biomagnetic strategies, this means you're in greater control of your life and that you depend less on others. It may also mean you require less medications and supplements and other treatments that are perhaps costing you a mini fortune and potentially causing intoxication as well as wasting your time and energy. So the fact is that everybody needs this system, because every single day, people like me, you, and your loved ones will always be exposed to some kind of mind, body, spirit stress. And it's important to realize that we can have a great impact on our quality of life using simple, powerful, and effective biomagnetic and introspective wellness strategies. You can get your own biomagnetic kit today by clicking the link below. If you want more in-depth information about the biomagnetic recalibration system and our Quick Start biomagnetic kits, be sure to subscribe to our free course in the link below. Thank you for being here with me today, and I wish you all the best in your life's journey.